Every year, millions of engines die from overheating, and most of those deaths, and it's rarely bad luck, most of the time it's preventable, destroyed by mistakes drivers don't even realize they're making. One wrong move with your coolant, and suddenly your brand new car is facing a $3,000 repair bill. Imagine turning the key tomorrow and hearing that dreaded clunk, that whistle of a cracked head gasket. Terrifying, right? Stick with me because I'm about to reveal 13 deadly coolant mistakes that quietly destroy engines, plus one shocking myth that still fools drivers and mechanics alike. Mistake number 1, mixing coolant types. Think green and orange or Asian blue with Dexcool are harmless together? Wrong. They react chemically, creating sludge that clogs radiators, heater cores, and thermostats. SAE engineers warn that mixed coolant can lose corrosion protection in under 2,000 miles. The fix is simple. Stick to the formula your car was designed for. If you change, do a full flush first. Mistake 2, using tap water instead of distilled. Seems innocent, right? But those minerals build up inside your system like plaque in arteries, slowing coolant flow and raising engine temperatures. The fix? Always mix coolant 50-50 with distilled water. It costs $1 per gallon, but saves you thousands in repairs. Mistake 3, ignoring coolant levels after a flush. Many drivers fill it once and think they're done, but trapped air pockets settle and suddenly your system is half full, leaving your engine half protected. Always check again after your first drive and 24 hours later. This simple step prevents 7 out of 10 DIY flush failures. Mistake 4, skipping air bleeding. That gurgle behind your dashboard isn't harmless. It's trapped air preventing proper circulation, creating hot spots that warp your head gasket. Bleed your system using the bleed screw or funnel method. Modern cars have valves for this reason. Don't ignore them. Mistake number 5, using universal coolant without checking compatibility. Universal might sound safe, but it can eat seals and react with aluminum parts. Wrong coolant can cut water pump life by up to 60%. Always verify OEM compatibility. $10 extra now can save thousands later. Mistake number 6, neglecting coolant change intervals. Even long-life antifreeze degrades over time. Additives fade, acidity rises, and your system starts eating itself from the inside out. Follow the manufacturer's schedule, 3 to 5 years, 50,000 to 100,000 miles. If in doubt, flush it. Don't gamble. Mistake number 7, overfilling. More isn't better. Excess coolant leaves no room for expansion. Pressure builds, hoses pop, caps blow, and air can get sucked in, creating vacuum leaks. Always fill between min and max lines. Mistake number 8, ignoring the coolant cap. That little piece of plastic or metal is your system's pressure regulator. If it fails, coolant boils prematurely, even if your gauge looks fine. Replace it every 5 years or sooner if damaged. A $10 cap can save a $2,500 head gasket. Mistake number 9, using stop leak additives. They coat your radiator and heater core with sludge, slowing flow and trapping heat. Temporary fixes become permanent killers. If there's a leak, repair it properly. Hose, clamp, or gasket. Don't cheat your engine. Mistake number 10, ignoring thermostat replacement. It controls when coolant flows. A stuck thermostat can silently trap heat, ruining your engine before you even notice. Replace it every 5 years or 60,000 miles with a quality OEM part. Cheap alternatives fail fast and cost more in the long run. Mistake number 11, neglecting water pump warning signs. The pump is your engine's heart. Most failures start slowly. Leaks, squeals, rust, or white crust around the housing. Ignoring these signs can snap your timing belt and destroy valves in seconds. AAA reports over 25% of roadside overheating is linked to ignored pumps. Don't be part of that statistic. Mistake number 12, skipping the radiator flush after overheating. Boiled coolant leaves behind acid and metal residue. If you just refill, corrosion continues silently. Flush it completely, inspect hoses and clamps, and protect your system from future damage. Mistake number 13, believing coolant is only for summer. Wrong. Coolant isn't just antifreeze, it's corrosion protection year-round. Modern engines, mostly aluminum, can suffer electrolysis corrosion even while parked. Keep your mix 50-50 all year, or up to 60% in extreme cold, never more. Bonus trick, reset your coolant sensor after a flush. Old ECU data can think the engine is overheating. Turn the ignition on, press the gas pedal fully for 15 seconds, turn off, wait a minute, then idle for 5 minutes. Your ECU relearns the temperature curve and prevents false alerts. Now it's your turn. How often do you check your coolant? Monthly, every oil change, or never? Comment below. Your story might save someone from a $3,000 repair tomorrow. Don't let your engine die silently. Protect it before it's too late.